Installing WordPress to your local server. Are you looking to build a website but want to test it out locally before going live? In this video, we'll walk through the steps to install WordPress to your local server. This will allow you to develop and test your site without impacting your live website. Download WordPress. The first step is to download the latest version of WordPress from WordPress.org. This is the open-source content management system that powers millions of websites around the world. Once you've downloaded the zip file, extract the contents to a folder on your local machine. Set up a local server. Next, you'll need to set up a local server environment to host the WordPress installation. There are a few popular options for this, such as XAMPP, MAMP, or WAMP server. These tools allow you to create a local Apache, MySQL, and PHP environment on your computer. Download and install one of these tools, then start your local server. Create a database. With your local server running, you'll need to create a new database for your WordPress site. Most local server tools have a built-in tool for managing databases. Open the Database Management tool, create a new database, and make a note of the database name, username, and password. You'll need these details in the next step. Install WordPress. Finally, it's time to install WordPress. In your web browser, navigate to the folder where you extracted the WordPress files. This will start the WordPress installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering the database details you noted in the previous step. Once complete, you'll have a fully functioning WordPress site running on your local machine. And that's it. You've now installed WordPress on your local server, giving you a safe environment to build, test, and customize your website before going live. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful and wanted to see more of this tutorial, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated